I hear this pretty regularly from people. I think I ruined my YouTube channel. Maybe your views are down or they never took off, your engagement went away. So is that a thing? Can you ruin a YouTube channel? Today I'm going to show you how to tell if your channel is still recoverable and what to do to fix it if you've gone off track. I'll also show you how I fixed a stalled channel and got it to the very top of YouTube and Google for a very competitive topic without starting over. So let's break this down, how to unbreak your channel in 4 steps. Now tell me if this was true for you or not in the comments, but usually when someone feels like their channel has been ruined, views are down, engagement's down, or maybe it never really took off in the first place. And you're wondering, okay, why can't YouTube recommend my videos like it does for other people that I see? And should I just start a brand new channel? Well, most of the time this happens when I'm working with a new client. I'll look at their channel, and what happens is the channel's a little bit all over the place, okay? So maybe it's all for the same person, but one week a video is about one topic, another week it's about another topic. But it's important to know that YouTube doesn't punish you for changing topics. It punishes you for confusion. So the algorithm on the back end that decides what videos to recommend is literally going, I don't know what this channel is about, I don't know who it's for, even if you feel like you're within a general niche. On my first channel, I helped people with social media, but I helped people with TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Not all of those topics were appealing to the same person. And I get it, it's emotionally safer to blame YouTube or the algorithm when we're not getting views. I've done it. But if your last 10 videos are for multiple different types of audiences or helping them with multiple different topics, you're just confusing the algorithm. So the first step to unbreaking your channel is to simplify to one main topic for your videos. That way, YouTube knows who this is for and what it's about. Because YouTube wants to show videos to the people who will like them. Let me show you how to fix it. Prior to this, I had zero online credibility for helping people with podcasts. I'd been doing it a little bit on the side, but I had no videos, no blog posts, not even a website to say, hey, this guy might know what he's talking about. But instead of starting a brand new YouTube channel from scratch, I published 10 videos in a row all about helping people with how to get their podcast going for their business. People started finding those videos really quickly. And within 90 days, I was getting multiple people every week signing up for the podcasting program that I offered. And when I said, hey, where did you hear about Jerry Potter? They would say, I Googled or I searched on YouTube for how to start a podcast. As you can imagine, how to start a podcast is a pretty competitive keyword. But I showed up at the top of the rankings because I was helping one type of person with one specific problem. And the algorithms on both Google and YouTube fully understood that. So step 2 in unbreaking your channel is to start making videos about that one topic every single week. I've found that 8 is the sweet spot, and I actually call them the magnetic 8 because they attract people to your channel and they help convert them into really loyal viewers, leads, and buyers faster as well. If you want to learn more about the magnetic 8 concept, it's what we build in my YT90 activation lab while we help you grow a channel in 90 minutes a week. But once you make this switch, how do you make sure your channel recovers? As long as you're talking to the same general person, the algorithm doesn't really care what you've done in the past. Here's a quick test, and you may want to pause the video and really think about your answers for a second. Look at your last 5 videos. Were all 5 for the same person? Do they help solve the same general problem? Would somebody who watched one of them want to watch another one? If the answer to any of those is no, then you've got to fix that next. Step 3 in unbreaking your channel is asking, would someone love most of my videos? Because when you forget about the past and start focusing on the present and do this right, YouTube will start recommending your videos. So you've clarified your topic. You've reset the signals that your channel is sending to YouTube's algorithm. And this next part is what multiplies all your results. Make your videos bingeable. But not bingeable like a Netflix series where someone has to commit to 8 parts. That's too overwhelming for a stranger. Instead, you want someone to land on your channel and go, ooh, I want to watch that one. And that one too. That's the kind of bingeability we want to go for. Clear, helpful, strategically connected content that will keep them watching more and more videos. That's what I mean by bingeable. So tie your videos together, increase watch time, because once somebody has watched 3 or 4 of your videos, they're going to subscribe, they're going to sign up for your email list, and they're going to buy your offers. So step 4 to unbreak your channel is to make your videos bingeable. Now, whether you decide to rebirth your current channel or start a new one from scratch, there's a few things you're gonna need to make sure you grow fast and that your channel is actually memorable. Click the video on the screen right now and I'll show you what those are, including how I went from a channel that took me 6 months to hit 100 subscribers to being able to do it on a new channel in 6 days. Click the video to watch that right now.